Ruby on Rails, often simply called Rails, is a powerful open-source web application framework written in the Ruby programming language. It's designed to help developers build websites and applications quickly and efficiently by emphasizing convention over configuration. This means Rails provides sensible defaults and automates many of the common tasks in web development, so developers can focus more on building features rather than setting up the structure. One of the core principles of Rails is don't repeat yourself, which encourages reusable code and reduces redundancy. Rails follows the Model View Controller architecture, which organizes application logic into 3 interconnected parts. Models handle data and business logic, views manage what the user sees, and controllers coordinate between them. This structure promotes clean, organized code and makes development easier to scale and maintain. Rails comes with a vast set of built-in tools that streamline everything from database handling and form creation to security and testing. Its scaffolding feature, for example, allows developers to quickly generate the basic structure of an app with just a few commands. Rails also integrates easily with front-end technologies and supports modern web development practices like RESTful routing and JSON APIs. Though Rails has faced competition from newer frameworks, it remains a favorite for rapid development, particularly among startups and small teams who value speed and simplicity. Major platforms like GitHub, Shopify, and Basecamp were all built with Ruby on Rails, demonstrating its capability in handling large, complex applications. Overall, Rails continues to be a solid choice for developers looking to build full-featured web apps with minimal friction.